Alright guys, so before we learn how to multiply with coefficients, now we're going to learn how to divide with coefficients. So we have a p to the sixth power times n. I don't see an exponent, so remember, when you don't see an exponent, there is always a invisible one. So I'm going to write it on here just in case. Divided by 2 times n to the seventh power times p cubed. So to get started, first thing I'm going to do is, I know this is multiplication because they're side by side. So I'm going to put the multiplication in between them. Once I finish that, the next step is going to be expanding it. So I have 8 times p to the power of 6. So that means p times p times p times p times p times p. And I have 1n. So it's being multiplied times 1n. Now, second thing, what I like to do is keep this organized. So at the beginning, I see it's a coefficient. So I'm going to put my coefficient times. The next thing I see is times. The next thing I see on top are p's. So do I have any p's here? Yes, right here. So p cubed. So I'm going to do p times p times p. And that's all the p's. So now I have m to the seventh power. So I'm going to start my m over here. I still know it's multiplication. So m times m times m times m times m times m times n. 7 m's. Okay, now what I'm going to do is simplify. So the rule is constant numbers behave normally. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we're still going to draw the line, and the 4 is going to be on the top. Now the next thing I gotta do is, remember, anything divided by itself is always gonna be 1. So p divided by p is 1, p divided by p is 1, p divided by p is 1. Well, there's no more p's to get rid of. So now, how many p's are left over? Well, I see 1, 2, 3. And where are they? They're on top. So I have p, and since it's being multiplied, that means it's gonna be an exponent. How many are there? 3. Now, let's go to the next one, m. Anything divided by itself is going to be 1. Well, I have no more m's on top. So I have m's at the bottom. So how many m's do I have that are being multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So that'll be m to the sixth power. And that's the solution for this problem.